Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade vegetable soup. Starting with fresh, vibrant ingredients is key to a flavorful soup. You will want to select a variety of your favorite vegetables, ensuring they are thoroughly washed. Uniformly chopping your vegetables helps them cook evenly, contributing to a consistent texture throughout your soup. A large, sturdy pot will be your best friend for this comforting meal. Building a strong flavor base is crucial for any great soup. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, like finely diced onions and minced garlic, in a tablespoon or two of olive oil. Cook them until they are soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, introduce your harder vegetables, such as diced potatoes and carrots, allowing them to cook for 5 to 7 minutes to start softening. Now it is time to add the liquid that will transform your vegetables into a hearty soup. Pour in about 6 to 8 cups of your preferred broth, ensuring all the vegetables are submerged. This is also the perfect moment to introduce your favorite herbs and spices, like a bay leaf, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. As your soup nears completion, add any softer, quicker-cooking vegetables, such as a cup of fresh spinach or half a cup of frozen peas, during the final 5 minutes of simmering. This ensures they retain their vibrant color and texture. Before serving, always taste your soup and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper to your liking. Ladle your warm, comforting homemade vegetable soup into bowls and enjoy it with some crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.